Yes, YouTube, welcome back to another video and thanks for joining me. So if you've been following the channel a while, you'll know that we've been tinkering around with a lot of the setups lately, and none more so than the five-bellied toad paludarium. Now, a couple of videos ago, we added some new plants, aquatic and terrestrial plants. We've also added fish in there recently, so there's been plenty going on. But last time when we did scape this out, I did add some floating plants with some limbodium, or however you say it. It didn't really work out, they sort of just wilted away into nothing. And sometimes the frogs would come out of the water section and carry them onto the land inadvertently. So that wasn't the biggest success. So I've been out today to one of my local fish stores and we've got some Salvinia. So this is a plant from Tropica and I just wanted to give it another go. So we'll have a quick little update on the firebellies, the fish and their enclosure, as well as adding these plants in today. So that's something interests you, then make sure you stay tuned. Let's just get on with today's video. Okay, so this is the five-bellied paludarium. Now, if you want to see a little bit more on this setup, then I'll leave the link down in the description for the playlist. There's plenty of stuff on this tank, as well as care requirements and so on for the five-bellies. But like I said, we added fish into this, and I am considering what we're going to do with these fish long term. Just firstly because I got some golden white cloud mountain minnows, bit of a mouthful. But initially when I thought about adding fish into this, I do really like the regular mountain cloud minnows. So I am considering maybe swapping them out, mainly because one, that's originally what I wanted. And two, there's too many males in this tank. I think there's 3 males and 1 female. So it's probably a little bit top heavy, so I probably need to remove at least one of the males and add some more females in. And I don't know whether I want to do that when the other fish I'd like to add in there instead. So we might swap them out, but we won't get rid of the fish, we'll add them into another tank if that does happen. And I also want to get some shrimp for it, some blue colored shrimp ideally, so that'll be coming in the future. So if that's something interesting you don't want to miss out, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out. But I think that's enough of me waffling on. Let's get these plants in. So we managed to get the Salvinia into the five-bellied enclosure, and I think it looks really nice. It's a nice addition. It gives it a more swampy look, and I prefer it to what we had in the last time just because of less root systems, and it looks a little bit tidier. But there was way too much in that one pot just for that tank, so I added the rest into the 20 gallon. Hopefully it'll multiply and we can use it in the future, but obviously it'll benefit that tank by taking some of the nutrients out of the water column as well. But I hope you enjoyed this sort of short update-ish video. I'm trying to work towards getting 4 uploads a week out. So the 2 regular uploads, vloggy style videos on a Wednesday and Sunday. I try and get a video out similar to this on the Friday, and looking to get out a YouTube short on Tuesday. So I hope you're enjoying this sort of content, and let me know what your thoughts are on these types of videos, any of the sort of content I do, all your suggestions, input, feedback, good or bad. I do take into account and try and implement them into the latest videos. So, I think that's enough of me waffling on for one day because I'm about to start losing what I'm talking about. As always, if you're a new viewer, if you do me a massive favour, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. As always, if you're a regular viewer, do me a massive favour and drop me that thumbs up and leave me a comment to show YouTube you're enjoying this sort of content and allows me to make more videos like these. As always, my merch is available. We'll be looking at the five-bellied toads today, hence the five-bellied toad shirt. Go and check them out. Any of the money towards this channel will go straight back into the care of the animals and improving the filming quality and the quality of the videos. Whew. As always, enough from me. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.